Okay, today we're going to look at the Supertech oil filter, number MP7317. And you can get this at Walmart for $5.48. So let's get started.
This is up for you gotta glue the silicone, be nice and tight. Get your inner here, filtration right here.
Okay, let's start with the box. 20,000 miles, maximum protection. Made in USA. Look over here. 99% efficiency rating. If we check it down here, that's based on removing particles greater than 30 microns. Okay, let's open her up and see what she looks like. Day code 030421AB. Product of USA. This is a sticker. She has 13 inlet holes. Nitro rubber gasket, which is, it's on here okay. Plastic inner core. And it looks to be looks to have metal end caps. If you look down there, you can see the rim. Also a good amount of threads. Alright, let's open this baby up. See what she looks like inside. Okay, here she is cut open. Let's get her weight. 176 grams. And the base plate. 81 grams. Take a look at it. Base plate's fine. It's got a nice amount of inlet holes here. 13 of them. The gasket's fine. Yeah, this is all fine. Got a silicone anti-drain back valve. These are nice. Covers these holes up nicely. And we got filter element here with metal end caps. Glued seam here. I counted 54 pleats. And filter media is made out of a synthetic and natural fibers. This seam isn't very glued very good though. I don't really like the seam. See that? Yeah, they could have put more glue on this. See what it looks like when I cut it open, but it looks like a space right there. See that? Yeah, they could have glued that better. Okay, and your bypass valve, which 7 grams. Filter element itself weighs 37 grams. Fits in there right like that. You know, these guys, when they fit in there like that, they're almost flat. You know, there isn't much space here. The can, 45 grams. Let's get some measurements. I was getting about 0.47. 0.45 millimeters. 0.4 to 0.5 is about average. And the filter media. 2.16 inches wide. Yeah, so you put it all together. Oh, actually, I'll show you this way. This is how this fits. So yeah, that all fits nicely. Yeah, so I say we cut this baby open, see how long she is. Check out this glued seam. Be right back. Okay, here she is stretched out. And she's 38.5 inches long. Okay, and here's the seam. And I took a little sample here to measure. 0.83 millimeters. It's about average. Close up. And the seam, well, it's picking away at it a little bit here, but you can see it's not glued very good. They didn't go all the way through. I mean, it's glued okay in here. On the other side, just flip it over. You can see it's glued here, but you know, about halfway through it's not glued. Yeah, that should be better than that. Well, let's look at the rest of the filter. You got your silicone drain back valve. That's nice. All these holes are nice. So that's all nice. The base plate's nice. Plastic inner cage. End caps are nice. Metal end caps. You got your stamp leaf spring bypass valve here. And can's alright. What do you guys think about this filter? Please post your comments down below. Well, I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care. The filter media weighs 11 grams.